Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm Adwa and today I'll be showing you how I fry my Ghanaian chin. Okay, so this is actually my first video and this channel was basically created for food recipes, some natural hairstyles, sewing hacks, education and many more. Kindly subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos. Let's get to the kitchen and put some things together. Stay tuned through the ingredients I'll be using for this chin. Okay, so I have my 400 grams of flour. I have a 3/4 cup of milk, grinded ginger and garlic, a half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and then a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then I have my 1 cup of margarine, which I've measured out already, and then 1 egg, oil for frying, and I'll be using this rolling pin, so let me put it here, and then a scissors for cutting out the chips. Okay. So I'll take my mixing bowl, then with my wooden spatula. So I'm going to mix my dry ingredients first. So the flour is going to the mixing bowl. Okay. Then I'm adding my salt, my sugar, my baking powder, and then my nutmeg. So I'm going to mix them together with my wooden spatula. Okay. So I'm going to add my butter. My love for turmeric, I've decided to add just a little, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to divide the mixture into two, add the turmeric to half and then continue the half with like the normal color.